Hi, welcome to my channel about robotics, Technique and embedded systems. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, the focus of this video is the Raspberry Pi 2, which runs Raspberry and Linux, and it is installed with C# Mono project in order to get things running via the GPIO, general purpose input output, also connected to serial Pi Plus and serial cable, obviously. Last time I found a problem using the GPIO, and that has somewhat deeper problem with the versions of Mono to be installed. So the first focus is to get that solved, and if possible also the GPIO accessed, so that I can maybe access this breadboard. But first of all, solve a problem. So let's start. And to start, I have to go to screencast, because with this camera I can't show code or anything that I do. So with screencast, virtual network computer, computing actually, webcam, and well, the Mono develop environment, and Minicom for the serial connection. Connected to my file server. This is what happens. So it works, but not GPIO. And with the last tryout with the Raspberry Pi 1, I did not get any change, but this is Raspberry Pi 2, so maybe there's a change. And let me go there. So the point is, I want to use this one, and I have to load from this one. I have to enlarge the window here, add packages, and I found another one, but like, is it here anyway? Oh, so about GPIO, of course. And here again 4.5. Well, not notable is that, of course, the same laptop I used for the Raspberry Pi 1. So there's no change in here. There could be a change here, but as long as I can't solve it on the laptop, I can't run it on the Raspberry Pi. So that is a problem. I have to solve it on here. Maybe which version is running here. On the other hand, I only have to run it from the server, so the development is here. And with the video on the Raspberry Pi 1, I showed you several issues, so maybe I can tackle them now. While thinking about this whole process, I realize the Fedora has no GPIO, Raspberry Pi does. Then I find on the internet that I can use a .NET add package command to install the NuGet package, system device GPIO. However, there's nothing like .NET, no command .NET. So new challenge is how to install .NET, because Mono is installed. Otherwise I can't possibly execute the command that I did. New challenge. 2 hours have gone by almost, and finding lots of stuff on the internet about Raspberry Pi 2 or Raspberry Pi in general. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in all, well, versions. And it seems that from the Raspberry Pi 2 it should work. So Raspberry Pi 1 is out of the question, unfortunately. Raspberry Pi 2 should be possible, but given the wide range of solutions, and none of them is working for me so far, except that I can install and check what I have. I seem to miss out for things, but the most important thing is, yes, I can run the graphics stuff, like this one, but like I said last time in the previous video, what is the Raspberry Pi without using the GPIO? In my case, not much, because that means that I cannot use this breadboard, which is, well, to me, not nice anyway. Can I use various parts so I can do something graphical anyway? Of course. So, no GPIO, but graphical. Let's continue with that. And I found another solution. Looking through the whole list of packages from NuGet and then looking at the versions, I came to Nano Framework System Device GPIO, which installed, as you can see, without a problem. The only thing is, it gives a build error, so not sure why that is. For a target somehow, something, so that it doesn't work out. Didn't change anything from here, but anyway, let me see if I can do anything more and then get a recompile further with success. So let's go further. Alright, I have now changed things right in here with a menu bar, whatever this may be, a company name, but I still cannot compile correctly. So what I'm going to do is remove, unable to install, to uninstall. Okay, events and device depend on it. Okay, so I am going to remove this one, this one, and this one. I now know which one I have to install if necessary. Build all, then obviously comment out, build. So that was the error. The package has influence on this one. So now I am going to shrink this, and I have a menu bar. Open, close. They don't do anything yet. Nothing. And here's new. For some reason I did it. But anyway, this is a changed menu bar, and it is fully functional when I run it on the Raspberry Pi. So that's a good thing. Not so good is that the package which I want to use for the GPIO, for this GPIO, is causing errors. So one good thing, one bad thing. How to continue? That's a good question. So, considering the fact that I found something that installs, I can go on with this, and hopefully also the Raspberry Pi 1. I have to check on it. That's promising. For now, I say close. And well, next time, another day. So, with these results, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or a suggestion. Very much appreciated. Click the bell for notifications. Please support my channel by either donating via PayPal, and if you don't have a PayPal account, please see the instructions below. You can also support via coffee.com and becoming a patron for as little as €2, $2 a month. This is obviously going to be continued. Take a look at my website for other projects, embedded systems, physics, technique and robotics. Stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.